I love to do foam rolling before each and every workout of mine. It helps in releasing tight muscles. It is as good as doing stretching before your exercises, and also if you have done a heavy intensity workout or have worked out on your legs a day before, you are sore and have cramps and you're not able to move your legs or sit nicely on your chair, this foam rolling technique can actually help you loosen up those tight muscles. You can roll on it, you can use it on your back, your legs, your hamstrings, your arms. So, this is something that I love to do before every workout of mine, and here are some techniques and ways through which I release my tight muscles. Hope you'll like it. The best part is you can choose your own speed of foam rolling, and as you find that sweet spot that is hurting, slowly and steadily release it by soft foam rolling, and you will see it will become loose and you will have less soreness and you'll be able to work out much better.